Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Free for teachers and students. Free for teachers and students all around the world. Read more about Kahoot. For businesses, Kahoot also partners with content owners and brands to create and market premium game-based content. 6 days ago.
Take our lead.
Our free plan, Gimkit Basic, allows educators to create and edit content as much as they need. However, games may only be hosted with 5 players or fewer, and new assignments cannot be created while on Gimkit Basic. Gimkit was created by a high school student.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Kahoot provides a game-based learning platform, which brings fun into learning, for any subject, for all ages, letting users create, play and share learning games. Kahoot services are available for free or as a paid service in accordance with the following.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.